Have you been struggling to get your buttercream into the piping bag and ended up with half of it all over your hands and the outside of the piping bag? If you have, then you need to know this simple glass trick. And this is what I use when filling up my piping bag. It's easy and it's no mess. And all you need is a tall glass cup. It can be glass or plastic, but you need a tall cup. And you want to gently fold your piping bag into the cup and fold the edges on the outside of the cup. And then you can fill it up with your buttercream. So use a spoon or a spatula to gently push the buttercream into, do it in stages. And as you put it in, you just want to just gently just squash it down so that it goes right into the piping bag. And it's so easy, so stress-free, no mess, and you can fill it right up, just like what I'm doing here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you are missing out big time. I bring you lots of videos like this that will help you with your cake making and your cake decorating. So please hit the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell so that you know when I post a new video, which is usually every Friday. Once your piping bag is nicely full, and all you have to do is just unfold the edges just like that. As you can see, no mess, all the buttercream is in the right place. Bring it out and you can just gently just push all the buttercream or shake it down in until it goes in nicely, and that's it. Mess-free piping bag full of delicious buttercream. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy baking.